script we're supposed to follow?
Nope.
You asking questions?
Sure. Can I clip this on your little...
You're really getting
I'm
it.
already hyperventilating. I
Why?
just can't do that. Just
And then we're just gonna talk.
I know.
Whoa.
Oh, you broke it.
Oh, did I really? Can I?
You probably couldn't break that.
Oh. It's thick. Okay. There you go.
You're like a professional now.
Mm-hmm.
Lights, camera. Wait, you did go over the script, right?
No, I didn't.
Okay. So, just tell us our first experience with each other.
Oh, our first experience was we had a new lock installed on the door, and when we closed the door, somebody turned the knob in the back of the door, and we couldn't use our electric code to get in. So we had to break a window. Josh to the rescue. But maybe I shouldn't say this. We didn't have anybody to call because in Callao, Warsaw, Kinsale, nobody likes to work.
I've talked about northern neck time before.
Yeah, that's there.
It is a real thing.
So we have construction projects going on already, and I came in one day and the glass on the slider had exploded to the outside, and we've been putting it off because we didn't want another construction project. So I thought, well, let's see if Josh can do this job. So we called, and Josh came to the rescue again and did our door with no construction. Yeah.
Better than replacing it, huh?
Much better and a lot cheaper.
Yeah. That's a lot of things that people don't think about is the price difference between replacing versus repairing.
Well, replacing's a lot when you have to take the frame apart and, you know, so.
Whole lot more money.
Well, the door alone is thousands, at least.
With the mini blinds especially.
Well,
I
Josh
shouldn't say that.
Josh said he didn't normally do blinds, but he would do it for us.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a great cost saver.
Yeah, it was.
No, but as you can see, we have all sliders, so if it ever happens again, Josh will be the one to call. The Window Hospital, Inc.
All right, I'll pay you guys for this later.
Yeah, okay. Put it on our tab.
Thank you.
Put it on our tab. So what do? Slice and dice?
Sliced and diced. And
all right.
It'll be on the Super Bowl.
All right.
Yeah.
We'll have good snacks during our commercial break.